So my name is Timo Tervola. I'm the CEO of Tactical Revolution, and here I'm going to show you 3 variants of the Marauder ballistic shield family of ballistic shields that we have. This here is the first law enforcement variant that we have. It's called the Delta Echo. It's a compound shield that consists of a primary shield and a secondary shield that allows the end user, gives them protection for a full-size shield, and if they encounter a small clearance problem, they're able to separately detach the secondary shield to deal with the small clearance problem, rapidly attach it together again. Combination with overlapping areas, this provides protection against the M855 green tip round. Standalone, this will stop the M80, M193, and the Type 56 mild steel core round. This is 19 pounds, as you can see, super light. Provides 20 inches of lateral protection and 37 inches of vertical protection. And this here is 5.5 pounds and stops the Type 56 mild steel core, M80, and so forth. So nice and easy to attach these 2 shields together. And then we have, let's see here, we have the Delta Golf here, which is a 39-inch tall by 21.5-inch wide shield, fully rated for M855 protection. And we don't do viewports. Instead, we do a full side-to-side, top-to-bottom window that provides protection against the 7.62 by 39 BZ round, the API round. We have full protection against the M855 across the shield. So this goes about 36 pounds, and it has multiple user features. You obviously have the primary handle and a very versatile secondary handle. I'll show you how to use that here in a moment. And then we have the Delta Fox, which is exactly this same shield here. It just doesn't have the viewport. But all of these are designed to be extremely mass efficient and have increased the operator's capabilities while on the target. Our whole strategy with designing the shield is, one, we keep it so it's not a shield guy with a gun, it's an operator with a shield. So the operator needs to be able to do his job exactly like he would normally. He just now has the shield. And how we do that is by our proprietary load-bearing system. And I'll show you how to use that real quick with our Delta Golf right here. So we have our kit has these sling systems, which are proprietary sling systems. It's a plug-and-play system. It applies to anybody's plate carrier, so you don't need to have a new plate carrier for it. And we have a couple of Fifi hook setups as well, based on how the guy wants to use it. But for attaching the shield, we simply connect the shield to the sling here. And our primary objective, obviously, everything is hands-free, takes the load off the hands. So that way we can use the shield like this. And it prevents you from having to carry the shield in a conventional shield carry manner, which is like this. It's not a strong position for you from a postural point of view to stand and walk like this and fight like this. It's not a good fighting position. So instead, we're able to square you from behind the shield so you can present your plates to the target and actually have clearance to move and shoot while on the move. So with this system, you can actually either aim down the sights, or you could just use the laser from directly behind the glass, as you can see like this, and just walk in. You're never exposing yourself. So super advantageous because you never have to expose yourself. Obviously with the Delta Fox, that's a cheaper version. You have to be on your sights with that option. But the Delta Echo, Delta Fox, and Delta Golf, they all work in the same way, primarily using your gun.